It's Wednesday, so it's time for more weird stuff around the grove. This is the weird stuff today. Now, I can't remember all of our papayas doing this before, but this year, almost every papaya tree that I have, and they are in all sorts of locations, is like this. First, the leaves got smaller and smaller on top, and then they died, and we still have papayas hanging, but I didn't mean for that to happen, but it's just rotted inside. So let's go take a look at a few others. Right here, this one's in a little better shape. It's a little bit younger. We've got papayas. That one actually might make it. This one got knocked over twice by wind, but it's now our, poster child. It's the best one in the grove, I think. We had to cut it back and prop it up. Had one papaya, but its leaves are looking fairly normal. Especially on this one. This is a larger, more, typical leaf there. This is one of my favorite, or used to be one of my favorite papayas. It found its way right in the sunshine from the tree trimming. Had really nice papayas. They were getting a little out of reach, but pretty much the same thing happened to this. Leaves are much smaller. There are much fewer of them. In this case, we have a lot of shoots coming out lower. So I think that the plan for this particular tree, for two reasons. One is the top is not very healthy, and the other is that it was too tall. But I'll actually just cut this down. When you cut a papaya down of this size, it's sort of means that it's not going to live for that much longer. There's a lot of area for the water to accumulate and such. But these little shoots will become pretty good branches and will probably produce papaya, and we'll be able to reach it. Here's a cluster of papaya. They were doing great. Of course, this one got real tall, but you can tell these older ones are really not doing well. Very few leaves on top, and a lot of fruit. They seem to want to hold their fruit even when they don't have any leaves. So the younger trees seem to be doing a little better, but not great. This is actually an independent tree. That looks almost like it should. So again, I gotta cut these down and cut them back, and hopefully we'll get another season of fruit from them, but meanwhile, I'll plant seeds. So with this happening to almost every tree, you have to wonder why. I really don't remember this happening so dramatically in previous years. And I think the main reason for this is the very dry weather that we've been having. It's just amazing how little rain we didn't even get. It was pretty much sometimes they would predict rain, but we just didn't get it. Hopefully next week we will start getting some rain, but these papaya really do need some source of water, and I don't irrigate them. So these trees have suffered a lot. Hopefully they'll bounce back with cutting them back and the rain that we're going to get hopefully next week.